Hey guys, so we just got here to the beach house in California and it is so amazing. I truly cannot believe my eyes. So I have been taking snaps and taking, little Instagram stories because I'm like, I'm getting so much inspiration for home decor and things I want to do, like, in my own house, because the woman that decorated this house that we rented from is so phenomenal at decorating. It's crazy. She thought of every tiny little detail. So I gotta show you guys. So I just figured I'd just do a quick little tour of our beach house here because it is so beautiful, and I just thought maybe you guys might want to see it too for, if any, inspiration. So let me show you guys. Okay. First of all, oh, here's Louie. They're having the best time already. So she has all these really beautiful fur chairs, and I know I've seen stuff like this before at Home Goods, so I'm definitely gonna pick one of these up now. And I can't get over this. It's like a lucite trunk, like a steamer trunk, but it's that lucite material. And then she probably did it herself because she's so creative, so she put this kind of old leather on there, and then just lots of rose gold accents, and I just love it. I just love it, guys. So this is the living room, and there's my husband's foot. He doesn't want to be on the video, but she has this beautiful little area here, and there's all the fur pups. They're having a good time already, guys, because they love pillows, they love cushions, so they're in heaven. So here's the kitchen over here. And then she has like this blue stone marble. What would you call this kind of marble? Is this granite? Oh, this is like a blue stone granite. And I love this. Don't you guys love? I love gold, accents in the kitchen. It's like so beautiful. Oh, she has this, guys. Oh my God, I love it. It's so unexpected. And then the subway tile, but it's shiny. Like, I have subway tile at my house, but it's not shiny. So this is like a shiny subway tile. And it's like a beautiful stove. And then here, just lots of rose accents, gold accents, and then wood. And then all these beautiful birds. But they're, I don't know how to describe it, but they're like engraved in this kind of material, but I don't know what it is, but it's not just like a regular painting. So that's amazing. And she has this beautiful, I forgot, this reminds me of milk glass from like the 50s, but it's different because it's pointy. And then she has like this old-fashioned pink toaster. Is that a toaster? I think that's a toaster, guys. Isn't that amazing? And then all her books. And then she loves dogs, so because she's so great, because she lets us have our dogs, and so many places don't rent to dogs. Even the cups that she put out have these little, are these chihuahuas or cats? I don't know, but they're so, it looks like either a chihuahua or a cat. So cute. I gotta show you something else too. And those are like the, what are those called, like the Westie dog lending library. I just love it. So many good books to read here at the beach. And look at this ice kind of thing with wood on it. So beautiful. And oh my God, up here she has these French bulldog decoration. She always has like art around, like these. Beautiful. I think she paints too. I don't know if she painted these. These are like ceramic. So this is painted ceramic. And then here's the bathroom. It's so beautiful with the honeycomb tile, more granite, bluestone granite. And it's like all of their houses too that they do, because her husband is in construction, so he puts these beautiful cutouts. And then this cutout has like marble shelving that is so beautiful. So I love that. And more art, beach art. So here's the mirror, like old-fashioned. It's so nice. And the old-fashioned sink. And she always puts out nice soap. So I love that. And then there's a little washroom area. I love this, guys. I totally take back all those times I didn't want to. She's so funny. And birds, sculptures. Always like she has lots of animal sculptures. And then this is the door to outside. So there's a beautiful garden out there. I'll show you guys tomorrow. And then this is one of the bedrooms. And it has this really nice material. Everything is like a very nice, you know, material. So it's like textured. And this beautiful mirror with the hardwood floor. And then there's just one more bedroom, and then that's pretty much it. This bedroom is so beautiful. I could not get over this bedroom. You guys are not gonna believe this. This is like the ultimate bedroom. The ultimate girly bedroom. Can you believe that mural? Oh my god. And then everything is just like blush color. And this beautiful blush pillow. And the embroidered sheets. And look at those lamps. Oh my god. And then this little table. Oh my god. And these beautiful, look how they're like oversized giant lamps. And then it's each one on the side of the bed. And then the two doors go outside to the garden. But I'll have to show you that tomorrow because it's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. So it's like really late right now, guys. But I just wanted to show you because after me and my husband go to bed and whatnot, the room is not going to look like this. This is not going to look so beautiful anymore. So I was like, let me show you really quick before I mess it up. And I feel like I have no idea how to put the bed back together this way. So look at these beautiful ruffle pillows. And it feels like that really nice cotton. Like everything is just so gorgeous. She's like the best decorator ever. Oh, and I love these too. The hardware on the doors is like super shiny silver. So all the doors have it. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just so nice. So I definitely would do that in my house. So I could get some inspiration from her decorating because she just decorates so beautiful. Let me show you guys this real quick though too. And guys, look at these. These are like the, I don't know how to say it, selenite crystal. And then she made them into like candle holders. So that's pretty much all of this room. It's like just an open concept. So there's that. The gold hardware, just so beautiful. So I will try to come back tomorrow and show you guys the outside, because the outside is so beautiful too. But in case I can't come back tomorrow, I just like say goodnight now, guys. But I just want to show you this gorgeous little beach house here in California. So I'll pop back in tomorrow if I can show you the outside, but otherwise I will talk to you guys soon.